Alright, we are installing the high performance steering dampener for my diesel Gladiator. So looks like we're just going to uninstall it. There's some special thing about the bolts. You have to use their supplied bolt because it doesn't have that shoulder on it. So basically we're just going to uninstall it and install it to 52 foot-pounds of torque. Easy peasy, 2 bolts. Comes with a little sticker on the new bolt. Here's what the dampener looks like. So they're made by Listing, but they're custom made for AEV specs. Now, so you have to use their bolt and their nut because they do match. The only curiosity I have is how much harder this is to compress compared to the factory one. So if I sit here and compress this, this is harder than the shock on a Ridgeline or Odyssey. Because even if you push it, so see how it's coming out. That's good. That's, you know, stronger it is, the better. All right. 1 bolt, 2 bolts. This is the one that has the square shank. Let's pull that out. I want to see, look at the comparison, right? Mm-hmm. This is heavier duty. Yeah, look how I'm pushing down equally, but I got to really, this one, the valving is a lot tighter.
The one on the right is going down much faster though.
Like that is so much tighter. And then I'm gonna set them down the floor and see how different the valving is. Like, that ain't even,
Yeah, that's so much better.
like, it's not even coming out, dude.
Yeah, you probably have to pull it. Yep. Even when you pulled it, it didn't.
So that'll help you center. Like when you're driving down the highway and it's drifting left and right, like this will correct that. It'll keep the steering more stable, straight.
Yeah, that's much better. Much better.
So it should just be like that, I believe. Yeah. So they said to reuse this, and where's that nut that we used? This one. We got to put that one in first, and that one came with new hardware because let's just drop this in. See how it's got a different nut? Or bolt, it's got a different bolt. And this one you kind of got to push in, and as long as you can get that bolt started. This is the hard part because it's like doing those struts on the Odysseys. You got to compress it all the way.
Oh yeah, you got to push it and then slide the bolt through.
Almost there. And then when it starts to rebound out, you got to get it in that hole, like all the way through. All right. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
When the torque specs are on there, help if I had. So I'm gonna snug it up. 18. 52. And then this one over here is going to go to 59. We're almost there. There you go. That's it.
And that is it.